the index of, let me change this to max. Mid-career salary. Then we say how much. This is a F screen, so we say how much we want. So now, when you look at here, it's like we have the key and the value. So this one should go all the way to the end, and this should be the value. So clean, starting media, not starting, but let me use this one. Use mid-career salary. Control V, and let's make this object. We call it Python dictionary. So I'm coming from the JavaScript, so we call this object on that word, but in this word they are called dictionary. So here we have the key and the value. So this key, it is just saying the index of max mid-career salary, and it is being given in terms of index max. So there is no big deal.